Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone 13 Pro Max camera missing on iPhone. So in this video I am going to show you how I can fix that. You can see a person screen, there are no cameras showing in my iPhone right now. After iOS 16 update, and tap on setting, you can see tap on general, tap on about. As you can see, this is running on iOS 16. It's iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just close that, open iPhone setting again. In setting app, you need to tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction. As you can see showing here right now, tap on allowed apps. Okay, make sure your iPhone camera is turned on. It's turned off, just turn it on. Now go back and check the camera. You can see appears on screen my iPhone camera showing here right now in my iPhone screen. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone camera missing from iPhone screen after iOS 16 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.